a 5-decade-old Muslim shrine or dargah was vandalized and then painted in saffron by unidentified men. The incident, according to the police, came to light around 6 a.m. on Sunday when a few local youth saw that the shrine had been coated with saffron paint and that its door had been broken open. After reaching, we realized that the wooden doors of the shrine were broken open and dumped in Maru River. Not only the minaret, but also the tomb and the entrance were coated in saffron paint. Furthermore, the hand pump inside the shrine compound was also uprooted, the shrine's caretaker told Indian Express. An FIR was registered under Section 295A of the IPC for deliberate and malicious acts intended to outrage religious feelings of any class by insulting its religion or religious beliefs. According to reports, repainting of the shrine is being undertaken.